Welcome. Today we're exploring the growing waste problem surrounding rental soundboards, LED walls, and digital kiosks, equipment used across concerts, conventions, trade shows, and large-scale events. These technologies may only serve audiences for hours or days, but when they reach the end of their lifespan, they create long-term electronic waste that must be handled responsibly. Rental electronics power nearly every modern event, from festivals to corporate conferences. Their mobility and frequent use expose them to wear that shortens their lifespan dramatically compared to typical consumer devices. Event technology appears temporary, but the waste it generates is anything but. Older units accumulate quickly in storage warehouses, and constant equipment upgrades drive continuous cycles of disposal. Without structured recycling, this waste stream can grow out of control, increasing environmental and operational burdens for rental companies. Professional rental equipment is built for repeated setup and teardown, but even reinforced housings and durable components can fail over time. Interfaces become outdated, LEDs dim, and internal wiring weakens from constant handling. Unlike consumer products, rental fleets operate in bulk. Dozens or even hundreds of devices may be retired at once, creating concentrated batches of e-waste. Without a clear disposal strategy, retired soundboards, panels, and kiosks can fill warehouses or end up in waste streams not built to handle them. Professional soundboards are complex machines filled with multi-layered circuit boards, specialized processors, and tightly integrated components. Their construction makes disassembly time-consuming and labor-intensive. However, many materials inside soundboards, such as copper wiring, aluminum panels, and certain modules, retain value and can be recovered. Battery-powered models add another layer of challenge since lithium batteries must be removed and handled safely. Licensed recyclers are essential for processing these devices while preventing hazardous exposure. LED walls are among the most challenging event technologies to recycle. Each panel contains thousands of LEDs, intricate controller chips, and a variety of rare earth elements. These components require careful manual separation to avoid damaging valuable materials. The frames and mounts, usually made of aluminum or steel, are highly recyclable, but older LED components may contain hazardous substances, making it essential to route them through licensed recyclers who can dismantle and process them safely. Transporting these panels also requires caution due to their fragility and weight. Kiosks function like large all-in-one computers containing touchscreens, processors, hard drives, and connectivity modules. Some even include printers or card readers depending on the event. Because storage drives may retain user data, kiosks require secure data wiping before recycling begins. Touchscreens often contain materials such as indium tin oxide, which complicates recovery. Despite this, core components like aluminum housings, wiring, and metal frames offer strong recycling value. Licensed recyclers play a key role in safely managing the hazardous and low-value components these systems contain. Rental companies have a major influence on how temporary event technologies are retired. They choose whether outdated units are resold, refurbished, donated, or recycled. Refurbishment can extend equipment life, while donations provide schools and nonprofits with valuable resources. But when devices can no longer be used safely or effectively, recycling becomes the responsible path. Partnering with licensed recyclers ensures that hazardous components are handled properly and that valuable materials re-enter the circular economy rather than ending up in a landfill. Improper disposal of rental electronics introduces real environmental risks. Circuit boards contain heavy metals that can contaminate soil and groundwater, while plastics can break down into harmful microplastics. Lithium batteries, common in portable or backup-powered devices, pose fire and chemical hazards if mishandled. Because rental equipment is often retired in large batches after major upgrades, proper waste pathways must be established in advance. Sustainable recycling allows valuable metals to be recovered and keeps toxins out of ecosystems. Every responsible life cycle begins long before equipment retirement. Rental agencies can plan for disposal at the procurement stage, ensuring contracts include recycling provisions and end-of-life expectations. Modular designs allow companies to replace individual components instead of discarding entire units. Collaboration between rental companies, venues, and licensed recyclers builds reliable, sustainable systems that keep temporary event tech from becoming permanent waste. These practices demonstrate environmental responsibility while maintaining trust with clients and communities. If you're ready to recycle rental soundboards, LED walls, kiosks, or other event technologies, our team is here to help. We specialize in safe, compliant, and environmentally responsible e-waste processing for complex commercial equipment. Reach us by phone, email, or through our website to begin planning your recycling solution. Temporary technology shouldn't leave permanent waste. Responsible recycling keeps events sustainable.